InvestBay app pricing explained what you get for your money. InvestBay is an investment platform offering tools for both beginner and seasoned investors to manage stocks, ETFs, and crypto assets. Many people assume investing apps are expensive or limited, but InvestBay provides clear pricing and accessible features. The free plan gives basic portfolio tracking, market news, and limited trades per month. Pro plan costs $99 per month, unlocking unlimited trades, advanced analytics, and multi-asset portfolio management. For institutional or high-net-worth users, the Enterprise plan is custom-priced, offering API access, priority support, and enhanced reporting. Most people get this wrong by assuming the free version is sufficient for serious investing. Pro plan provides tools like technical charting, alerts, and performance metrics, which can significantly improve decision-making and timing. For example, a trader managing multiple assets can use alerts to react quickly to market movements. The surprising truth is that InvestBay combines affordability with professional-grade features. Users gain access to research, analytics, and trading capabilities that rival more expensive platforms, all for under a month. In conclusion, InvestBay pricing is transparent and scalable. By understanding the free, Pro, and Enterprise plans, investors can select the right level of tools for their strategy, whether tracking a personal portfolio or managing complex investments.